class, welcome back to my classroom. Hope all of you are well. Please stay at home and please stay safe. Now my today's topic is how to add or how to multiply two numbers in Java. In my previous video, I have explained how to add two numbers. And in this video's description box, I will provide the link of that video also. This is for beginners who just start to learn Java programming. So I want to show an easy way how to write down Java program. And my today's topic is multiplication of two numbers. So let's start. Here you can see Java screen is there. You go for new class. New class, you give one meaningful class name. Suppose here I am doing multiplication. So I am giving here name product and go for OK. Then you can see this class appears to you. Right click over there and go for open editor. Then this has come to you. Just nothing to do, many things written over there. Just select all and press delete button from your keyboard. Then all things you have to write down under class. Then you write down your class name, whatever you given. Here my class name is product, you can see. So I have to write down my class name only, which is product. And you have to mention the small letter. I have noticed that many of you write down C in capital letter. So C is not in capital letter. Class is you have to write down in small letter. And whatever the class name given, here I give P in capital. Whatever given, you follow that only. Then come to next line and open your bracket. Second bracket, all things you have to write down under this brace. Then write down public static void main. Bracket open, bracket close. Then come to next line. Again one bracket. Inside this bracket, you have to write down your whole program. Then for if I ask you please add or multiply two numbers, then you tell me, ma'am, please give me two numbers. What are the two numbers? You tell me. So first we have to declare or take two numbers. So how to declare one variable? In variable we have to store the numbers. So how to declare the variable? We have to store one integer. So this is must be one integer type variable. How to declare integer type variable? Just write down int. Don't write down integer. Just write down int all in small letter. And then you give any name, suppose A. And equal to, you assign any number here. Suppose I assign 5 here. Okay. Then semicolon. Okay. So I take one number which is integer type and the name of the variable is A, and equal to is the assignment operator which assign a value to a variable. And you can write down any value. Suppose here I am taking 5. 5 is stored to A and you end your line with one semicolon. There is no semicolon in this line. From here you start to give semicolon. So it is one integer type variable which can store only numbers, that means integer numbers, and the name of the variable in computer's memory, it takes one place called A, and where we can store any number. but it must be one integer number. Then come to next line. We need another variable. In the same way, you write down another variable. Suppose it is also integer and name of the variable b, and suppose I store here 10. Then so we have two variables a and b. In a I stored 5, in b I stored 10. Then I want to multiply a and b. After multiplication of a and b, we have to store, we get one integer type variable only, because after multiplication of two integers, we get back one integer. So we have to store in one another integer type variable. Suppose c equal to a into sign, you have to write down like this. Okay, here in Java, into is not like this. Into is a asterisk sign. You write down this, and then you write down b and semicolon. So a into b, here a into b done by computer, and the result stored in C. Now in C we must have the result. Don't write down direct numbers 5 into 10. You can write down, you can store any numbers in these variables and just use variables name for any type of calculation. Then in A we already have 5, in B we already have 10. So in C we must have 55 into 10. So let's check the result, it's showing the correct result or not. So for that we have to print the result. System, A is in capital letter only, A is in capital letter. Some of you P also write down, try to write down in capital, P in small letter. Only system A is in capital letter. Here is dot, no comma, dot. Then out, dot, print, 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 ln. This is ln, ln. I have again mentioned ln, not in. This is ln, not in, no gap. Then within bracket, you just print your result, which is C. Then you semicolon. Then come to next line. You close your bracket, your main bracket, and another thing I have to mention, this is closing bracket. This is opening bracket, this is closing bracket. So don't give here again closing bracket, opening bracket. This is open, this is closed. Then again you have to give one closing bracket for your class. So it is over. Now before execution you have to compile. Compile means you have to check in your program if there are any error or not. If you find out any error, then you first rectify this, then you can further proceed. So first go for compile, class compile, no syntax errors. Okay. Suppose instead of dot, you give here one comma. So there is an error. When you go for compile, it's showing there is an error found. So how to rectify that error? You can keep your cursor over here, or you can press Ctrl plus K. Then you can see they are showing the error. So you give here dot, then I want to show you again compile, no error. So after your class is compiled perfectly, no errors are there, then you close this one and then right click on your class and go for void main. You can see your result, your output screen, which is 50. So your computer gives you totally perfect result, and you learn how to multiply two numbers. So please Give your feedback, share your feedback. I'm waiting for that. And please subscribe my channel and don't press to don't forget to press on bell icon for further notification. Till now, bye bye. Thank you.